Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code for a Google Drive file. This is a really useful trick if you want people to quickly open your file by simply scanning a QR code with their phone. It works great for sharing PDFs, notes, images, presentations, videos, assignments, or folders without typing long links. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn any Google Drive file into a scannable QR code in just a few minutes. So let's get started. First, open Google Drive and sign in to your Google account. Once you're inside Google Drive, find the file or folder you want to share. Now, right-click on the file and select Share. A sharing settings window will appear. This step is very important because your QR code will only work if people have permission to access the file. Under General Access, you'll usually see Restricted. Click on that drop-down menu and change it to Anyone with the link. This allows anyone who scans the QR code to open the file without requesting access. After that, click Copy Link. Now your Google Drive link is copied and ready to use. The next step is generating the QR code. Open a new tab and go to a free QR code generator website. One popular option is QR Code Generator. Another easy option is QR Code Monkey. On the website, you'll see a box where you can paste your link. Paste the Google Drive link you copied earlier into that box. As soon as you paste the link, the website will automatically generate a QR code for you. Some websites also allow you to customize the QR code by changing colors, adding a logo, or adjusting the design. If you want a simple and clean QR code, you can just leave the default settings. Now, click on Download or Save QR code. The QR code image will be downloaded to your computer or phone. And that's it. Your QR code is ready. Now, whenever someone scans that QR code using their phone camera or a QR scanner app, it will instantly open your Google Drive file. This is really useful for classrooms, offices, presentations, events, posters, business cards, or even YouTube videos. For example, teachers can print QR codes for assignments, businesses can share brochures, and students can quickly share notes with classmates. Here's a quick tip. Before printing or sharing your QR code publicly, always test it first. Scan it with your phone and make sure the file opens correctly. Also, double-check that the sharing permissions in Google Drive are still set to Anyone with the link. Another useful idea is shortening your Google Drive link before creating the QR code. Shorter links usually create cleaner and easier to scan QR codes. You can use websites like Bitly or tinyURL before generating the QR code. You can also insert your QR code into posters, PowerPoint presentations, flyers, websites, or printed documents so people can instantly access your file with one scan. And that's basically it. You just learned how to create a QR code for a Google Drive file quickly and easily using free online tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.